Hello Telegram users, need to change an admin in your Telegram group? It's super easy, let's do it. First, open the Telegram app and go to your group. Tap on the group name at the top. Who's the best admin in your group? Tag them in the comments. Now, tap the pencil icon in the top right corner. Go to Administrators. Here, you will see the current admins. To add a new admin, tap Add Admin. Choose a member and set their permissions. Tap Save and you're done. Only the group owner or an admin with full permissions can manage admins. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.